Good morning, everybody. This is Crazy Crafter Adventures, and this month is July. Today's the beginning of July, so I want to do a scrapbook page a day in the month of July. So I have these pictures. These are actually from 2020. My family went on a hike. There, we can pop this here, and what do we got here? We could do the two greens, or there's that. So this came in this paper pack. No, we're not going to do that. We're not doing that one. We're not doing that one. What's on the back of that? Oh, it's green. It's just green. So we could do a green one there. No, I think I'm going to do the brown. Okay, so, interesting. And then I also have these little stickers, which we might use. Now, I don't know where I got this sticker pack, or this paper pack. I don't even know. Oh, it's actually Creative Memories. It is a Creative Memories paper pack from back in the day. So there's that. I just happened to pull it out. So this works. So we're going to do... So you know what? Now I'm going to switch it. I'm going to switch it because now this will work to my advantage. Let's see if this... There we go. There we go. So we're just going to do it this way. And what I could do is I might actually pull this one over this way. And I might actually pull this one over this way. And do it like that. Yep. I kind of like that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to put double-sided tape. This is my oldest daughter and my youngest daughter. Like I said, this was like in 2020, I think, when we went on this hike. And actually it was a really, it's a beautiful hike. I don't recommend bringing little kids though, because they, you hike along the edge and it's like a big drop off. There's nothing to catch you. And when we were leaving, there was these people that had little kids and they were just letting them run ahead of them. And I was thinking to myself, yeah, I don't know about that. It's not very safe. But it was a beautiful, because we walked out over here on the thing, and actually at this site a few years ago, there was a girl, and she had like an Instagram or something, and she was busy taking pictures of herself, and she fell off that cliff. And I believe she was a college student, and she perished. So there's that. Like I said, it's not safe. And the hike was we went very early in the morning, so we were like one of the first people there, because I wanted to get there before everybody else so we could take pictures. Because a lot of people do go there to take photos. So I'm going to do... We could put the two browns and the two greens. Then we have the two different pictures, and then we could flip it. So that they're like that. And I could put this like this. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Even though I really do like it. Like maybe this. Because then I can do like maybe some, like then I'll just leave these like this. And I could do the, what do you call it? Some journaling. I could take one of these, cut it, and put a little journaling thing here. Ooh, I might do that. So we'll bring this over. Or I could do it like that and put the journaling thing here. Yeah. I'm gonna stop playing with this. All right. I just need to put it down. I just need to put it down, you guys. This is so pretty. Man, it's so pretty. That was a good old hike. We had a lot of good times. My girls and I love to go hiking. Well, we used to do a lot of hiking. I haven't done any hiking lately. Probably need to do more. All right, because I'm just going to put these down. That way I'll stop making up my mind here. Changing my mind of what I want to do. I'm going to put this here. Bam. I hope I got it on straight. I think I did. But I really wanted to start doing my photos, getting them done. I'm so behind. So behind. I'm gonna do, I was trying to kind of line it up, like with that one, kind of. And I kind of want to put it maybe, oops. Kind of here, maybe. Okay. And then we're going to add some of these. And it doesn't have to be, you know. Let's do all smiles. Oops, as I drop it. It's what boys do, yeah. Okay, we're not boys, so we're not going to put that on there. We have this. I mean, I think that would look really cool. Maybe going up here like this. Kind of. And get it off. Oh, yeah. Oops. Oops, oops. Without tearing the paper. There it is. Bam. Yeah, see, there's that. And we might take this. I never know what I have anymore. I have so much scrapbooking, and I'm so bad at not getting my stuff done. There's that. And you know, we're gonna put some ants. Even though it didn't really see any ants, but I think these would be fun. Little ants. Ooh, and there's flies too. Little flies. Just a fun little page to get it done, you know? Just getting it done. I mean, I could even put a snail on it. Let's see. I like this one too, the flower. There's something different. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to cut out a little journaling thing. So I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the orange because I can cut it out right here and put it right there so I can journal on it. Let's just do like a 3 by. That's about right. So I can always use this one another time. See, and then just put it there. And then what we can do is maybe I could put one of these things on there. And you know what? I have like a little stamp I can do to. I may not document on right here why, because I need to look up some stuff, like when we actually did this. Because I don't think I wrote on the back. Sometimes I try to write on there when we did it, so when I get my pictures, I know. So I'm going to just throw this here. Throw this here. And I was thinking about putting a little, maybe a leaf or something on this. Why not? There we go. Just to kind of fussy it up. All right, so anyway, there it is. And then I'm going to journal here. And then that's it. That's my scrapbook for today. And I still have these papers to do another page if I wanted to. And I'll put this in one of my albums. I haven't decided which one yet. Now, I usually do them on these papers, and then I either do the drop down on the creative memories. I drop them down in the pages, or I'll put these on a 12 by 12. Depends on the album I'm doing. I'm putting these pictures in. But anyway, there we are today, you guys. All right. So in July, we're doing a scrapbook page a day. All right. Remember, family forever. Stay positive. Enjoy life. And thank you for coming in.